Everybody's seen their dog do that big, goofy stretch after a nap, right? But did you know it's way more important than you think? But first, hit subscribe if you love seeing your dog stretch. Arf, arf, let's dig into why. When your dog stretches, it's not just being adorable, it's actually helping its body wake up, just like when you stretch in the morning. Stretching gets their blood flowing, loosens up stiff muscles, and keeps them ready for all the zoomies and tail wags. Plus, it helps them stay flexible and avoid injuries. Here's a fun fact. Those big stretches are called play bows. It's their way of saying, hey, let's play. So next time you catch your dog stretching, know it's their secret recipe for feeling awesome. Give them a little belly rub and maybe join in with your own stretch session. Your pup will love it.